YouTube personality Shane Dawson has acquired more than 22 million subscribers in his over 10 years on the platform. Dawson, 31, is known for his documentary-length YouTube series exploring conspiracy theories and the lives of other famous YouTubers. He's also been involved in controversies stemming from past remarks he's made and since apologized for, as well as offensive characters he's performed. Here's everything you need to know about Shane Dawson, who's worth an estimated $12 million and just released a new documentary about makeup YouTuber Jeffree Star. Restaurant chain Chuck E. Cheese was forced to deny allegations earlier this year that it recycles uneaten pizza slices to serve to other customers, thanks to a YouTuber by the name of Shane Dawson. The 31-year-old Dawson is essentially a YouTube veteran who has garnered more than 22 million subscribers in his decade of creating videos. His early comedic skits and parodies brought in a massive audience base who have stuck around to see Dawson evolve into creating hour-long documentaries about conspiracy theories and other YouTubers. Dawson's fame has earned him an estimated net worth of around $12 million, as well as a book, a podcast, and numerous TV and film appearances. And then there were the multiple controversies, more on those later. His latest piece of work is a documentary about makeup YouTuber Jeffree Star, and it dropped on October 1st. The YouTuber was born as Shane Yaw on July 19, 1988, in Long Beach, California. As a kid, Dawson grew up with an alcoholic father and was bullied for being overweight in high school. At 18, he signed up for the once popular weight loss program Jenny Craig, through which he succeeded in losing weight. He soon after got a job working at a local Jenny Craig storefront, and was later promoted to manager. At the same time, Dawson was going out on auditions for acting gigs, but he wasn't having much luck. In 2008, Dawson decided to launch a YouTube channel called Shane Dawson TV. However, his YouTube content got him into trouble early on. After recording himself pole dancing while at work, Dawson and 6 other people, including his mother and brothers, were fired from their jobs. The early days of Dawson's channel consisted of comedy sketches, video blogs and diaries, and impersonations of characters like Barb the lesbian and Shanae, who calls herself a ghetto girl, but are pretty problematic and draw on offensive stereotypes. Dawson's first video to go truly viral was Fred is Dead, a sketch comedy video from September 2008 in which Dawson kills the beloved 2000s-era YouTuber Fred, aka Lucas Cruikshank. The video has more than 25 million views today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more such facts.